Number 1. It improves the health of your kidneys. Kidney infections are unpleasant, but fear not. Garlic water can be your kidney's best friend, and researchers swear by it. A research carried out by Punjab University demonstrated that garlic is a powerful agent against a dangerous pathogen known as P. aeruginosa. This pathogen fills the walls of your urinary tract and led to kidney infections and problems. Health professionals recommend consuming 3 to 4 garlic cloves daily or drinking a glass of garlic water every morning to kickstart your day in a healthy way. Number 2. It makes your blood thinner. Garlic water can be your true salvation if you suffer from high cholesterol or high blood pressure. A nutritionist and microbiotic healthy coach, Shilpa Arora, suggests that garlic is useful for your lipid concentration. And you already know what that means. The consumption of garlic water stabilizes blood pressure. A research carried out at King Kyle University College of Pharmacy demonstrated that around 0.02 to 3.5 ounces of garlic extract has the same effect as the blood pressure reducing medications. Not only that, your cholesterol level is maintained as well. A research conducted at the University of Oxford showed that garlic can decrease the level of bad LDL cholesterol in the body by 10 to 15%. How cool is that? So whenever you feel like your blood pressure is rising, just drink a glass of garlic water and you'll be alright. Number 3. It keeps your blood sugar in check. Garlic can be your holy grail if you suffer from high blood pressure. High blood sugar needs to be controlled constantly. If not, it can lead to numerous health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and others. But fear not. Garlic is here to save you. A research conducted at Kuwait University's Facility of Science found that raw garlic is beneficial to reduce blood glucose levels. One more reason why you need to drink garlic water every day. Number 4. It makes your bones strong. Joint pain, osteoarthritis, and other bone problems are common throughout the world. If you suffer from one of such problems, consider consuming garlic on a daily basis. Better yet, add it to your everyday menu. A study published in the BMC Musculoskeletal Disorder Journal stated that a diet rich in omnivore vegetables like garlic or onions can lower the likeliness of developing bone problems, especially osteoarthritis. Garlic can also maintain estrogen levels in the body, which is important for bone health and growth of skeleton. Number 5. It improves your eyesight. Garlic has a surprising positive effect on your eyesight. Iran scientists discovered that garlic decreases intraocular pressure. Another research carried out by scientists at the University of Turkey demonstrated effective results and stated that garlic is an effective remedy against the microbes that causes keratosis, a harmful eye problem. Believe me, your eyes will be grateful to you. Number 6. It makes your workouts effective. Want to boost your efficiency? Garlic water is the answer to all your needs. A research from RNT Medical College demonstrated that people who consume garlic every day have a better exercise capacity, including those with cardiovascular problems. According to research by Japanese Healthcare Research Institute, garlic influences exercise-induced fatigue. Not only that, in ancient times, people used garlic to boost their work ability and get rid of fatigue. It is also administered to professional athletes. So yes, garlic is everything you need. Number 7. It makes your brain work like a clock. Garlic water is an effective anti-aging agent, also beneficial in improving your brain's capacity to work, thanks to its ability to reduce blood cholesterol levels and blood pressure. A research carried out at the School of Medical of Tufts University in 2006 confirmed that the consumption of garlic controls dementia. That is a broad classification of brain problems associated with thinking and memorization difficulties. Another research carried out at the two showed that garlic is effective in decreasing the odds of developing Alzheimer's disease. Also, garlic is rich in antioxidants beneficial in boosting body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage that is a major contributor to aging. It means that if you want your brain to wake up instantly in the morning, just drink a glass of garlic water. Number 8. It helps you lose weight. Want to have a toned body? Garlic is your way to a slim looking body. To wake up your digestive system and make it work smoothly throughout the day, all you need is a glass full of garlic water. Not only that, researchers in France found that garlic is rich in sulfur that prevents inflammation required for fat cells to expand in size. Not only does it help you reduce weight significantly, it can help you get all the beneficial nutrients required by the body. It also cures stomach problems such as bloating, aches, and diarrhea. I bet your stomach will thank you for it. Number 9. It makes your skin clear. If you have acne and you're looking for products to get rid of it, look no more. Garlic water is the perfect thing for you. It is popular and strong antioxidant that has anti-inflammatory properties as well, essential in flooding out the toxins from your body. And believe it or not, when your body's healthy from the inside, it reflects on the outside in the form of clear, flawless looking skin. Iranian scientists carried out research to demonstrate that garlic can fight and diminish acne. Number 10. It detoxifies your body. Although your body has natural mechanisms to get rid of toxins, you need a detoxification system every once in a while. Garlic can be a perfect detoxification remedy. A research of 2 weeks carried out by experts at Punjab University of Medical Science showed that garlic is helpful in reducing the signs of toxicity and strengthening your immune system. This is exactly why garlic is an amazing remedy against cold and flu. So next time you feel like you need a little something to stimulate your body, don't look around and just drink a glass of garlic water. To make garlic water, take a few garlic cloves and cut them into small pieces. Add them into water, stir them, and voila, it's ready. Also, ensure that you drink this recipe in the morning before you eat anything to get most out of the garlic. If you're looking for something a little extra too, make some garlic tea and take it before you go to bed. It will not only detox your body, but will help you relax, and trust me, you'll wake up fresh and rested. To make this amazing tea, take 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, peel them and cut them into pieces. Take a saucepan and add 2 or 3 cups of water, then add garlic pieces. Stir well and wait for it to boil. Then remove the saucepan from heat and add half a cup of lemon juice and honey. Strain the garlic pieces and your tea is ready. Don't forget to tell us which of the garlic drink do you prefer. Don't forget to leave a like if you found this video helpful, subscribe to receive more cool videos like this one, and hit the bell icon to be notified for new videos. Stay beautiful and be better than your best.